Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the set operation in the Python programming language. Set is similar to the list in the Python programming language, and the set is mutable and unordered collection of elements. It cannot print in a same order. Set is represented by the curly braces. Now in this video we can go through some of the important functions used in the set operations like s.add means the function is used to add some of the elements or items to the list. S.update. It is also similar to the add, but in the add we can add only single operator. But in S.update we can add more than one. S.remove means it is used to remove an item. The next one is S.discard. Discard also is similar to the S.remove, but the main difference is if the item we are going to remove from the set, if the item is not present in the set, s.remove will show the error, but in s.discard it didn't show any error. The next one is s.pop. Basically pop means removing an element. In this s.pop it will remove any element from the list. The next one clear. It clears all the items in the set. The next is s.union. What is mean by union? Means combining the two sets, right? In this also it combines two sets. S dot difference means it will differ the elements. S dot intersection is nothing but the common elements from the two sets. It will print common elements in the two sets. Here we are taken S as a set. Inside the set we are given the items like the first one is string Bhargavi and the next two are integer types 7 and the 9. Here we are going to print the S means we are going to print the set. When we execute this, it will print the set. See here, Bhargavi, 9 and 7. These are the items in the set. Set, it is not possible to initialize the items using their index values. So that we can use a for loop here. The syntax for that is for I is an variable and in S is the set name. Then print I. In this, it will print elements in the set. See, it printed 9 and Bhargavi and 7. I have already told that the set is not an ordered set. Means it will follow the different orders. See here, we given here first Bhargavi and then 7 and then 9. But when we are going to print, here it will print 9 first and then Bhargavi and then 7. In the for loop also, it follows the same. The for loop, it will print it after that means 9 and the next line Bhargavi and the next line 7. If we want to get these three in the same order, we can use here, comma, end is equals to parenthesis. This is the syntax for that getting in the same line, horizontal line. See here, 9, Bhargavi and 7. It printed in the same line. And the next one is, if we want to check the item is presented in the set or not, we can use the keyword in. See here, print 7 in S. We are asking that 7 in S presented in the set or not. The 7 is presented in the set, it will print 2. Otherwise, it will print false. We run this. Here we get true. If we print here 8 in S, we got false. That's all. This is the syntax for checking the particular item present in the set or not. And the next one is we are adding an element or an item to the set. The function for that is s.add. Here s means that set name, s.add. Here we are going to add tutorials. See here, after that we are going to print s. We get this. This is our set. First set 9, Bhargavi and 7. After that we are adding tutorials. We get 9 tutorials, Bhargavi and 7. And this is the method for adding a single element, not more than that. Single element we can use s.add. If you want to add more than one element, we can use update. The next one is update. See here we used s.update. Here we used the three items like, share and subscribe is our three items in the list we are going to add. We are printing s. See now we got the three. The first set is 9 and Bhargavi and 7. And next we added tutorials. See here 9, Bhargavi, tutorials and 7. And the next we are added like, share and subscribe. See here like and share and subscribe. This is the method for adding more than one element. And the next one is remove. We need to remove an element from the element or an item from the set. We use the operator called s.remove. Here we are going to remove like. In this we have the like one, and the next we remove that. And this is the method for removing an element from the set. And the next one is discard. Discard is as similar to the remove, but the main difference is in the remove, if the remove element, like if here the removed element is like, if this like is didn't present in the set means it shows an error. But whereas in the discard, if the share is not present in the set means it didn't show any error. That is only the difference between the remove and discard. The output is like this. In the first one we have removed like, and the next one we have removed share. And the next one is pop. We know that pop is nothing but removing an element. Here the syntax is s.pop. Here we didn't mention any particular item which we are going to delete from the set. It will remove the first element or any element it will choose from the set, and it removes a element from that set. See here we given s.pop and we are printing that set. It will shows, see here, it is removed 7 from the set. In this set, we have 7, 9, Bhargavi, subscribe and tutorials. In the next one, the 7 is missing. It removed the 7. And this is the pop operation. Clear. Clear means it will delete all the elements from the set and it will show the empty set. See here, we given s.clear and we are trying to print the that set. It will show empty set. And the next one is del. Del is a keyword which will delete all the elements from the set. If after deleting, if we try to print an element from that particular set, it will show error. See here, print. When we are going to print that element after deleting, it will show error. See this. This is showing error. The name S is not defined. Means all the elements from that S is deleted and the set also completely deleted. If we clear the element means the set will be presented and the memory allocation for that set will be stored. And this is the del and this is the clear. And the next one is union. We know that union is nothing but combining the two sets. Here we taken S1 as a set 1 and S2 as a set 2. The set 1 contains A, B and C as the elements and the set 2 contains 1, 2 and 3. Here we are going to combine these two elements using the union operator. Here S3, we are creating the another set S3 and joining these two sets and storing the two states in the set 3. See here, S1 dot union of S2 is this is the syntax for that. When we are going to print the set 3, it will shows that. We are going to print the S3, it will shows that. See here, the set 1 is A, B and C. Here it will printed in order. We know that set is an set follows the disorder A, B and C. A, B and C. And the next set is 1, 2 and 3. All the elements presented in the set 1 and set 2 are presented in the set 3. This is the union operator. Update is also as similar to the union. Here we are updating S1, update S2. Means in the S1 contains both S1 and S2 sets, but S2 set contain only S2 set elements. Here we written as S1 dot update S2, and we are trying to print S1 and S2. See here the output will be this is the set 1 and this is the set 2, right? The set 1 contains both set 1 and set 2 elements, and the set 2 contain only the set 2 elements. If we change here S2 and here we take S1, then when we try to print S1, it will print only the S1 set elements. And when we try to print S2, it will print both set 1 and set 2 elements. See here, in the first set, it printed only the set 1 elements A, B and C, and in the set 2, it contains both set 1 and set 2 elements. This is the property of update. The next one is difference. Difference is nothing but the subtraction, right? Here the set 1 contains A, B and C, and the set 2 contains C, G and K. Here we are trying to print S3 set. S3 set is the difference of S1 and S3 set is the difference of S1 and S2. When we differ S1 and S2, this set 3 contains the S1 element with removing of the S2 element. Means ABC minus CGF means C will be removed and it will print the set 1 element only, means A and B. Means when we try to print S3, it prints only A and B. Now we can see here, it printed only A and B. S1 minus S2. It printed only A and B. In the set S4, it contains the set 2 elements, removing the set 1 common element. Means it will print G and K. See here, it printed G and K. The set 4 contains only the G and K, removing the common element from the S1 and S2. When we print set 3, S3, it will print the set 1 elements, removing the common element from set 1 and set 2, that is C. Means S3 contains A and B, S4 contains G and K. And this is the difference operator. Difference update is also same as the difference, but we didn't use another set to store that element. See here, we written here S1 dot difference update S2. When we try to print S1, it just prints the S1 element, removing the common element from the S1 and S2. See here, it printed A and B. A and B is the element present in the set 1, removing the common element from the set 1 and set 2. The S1 is A and B. If you write here S2 and we put here S1, and when we try to print here S1, see here it printed A, B and C. Means set 1 contains all the elements, but here we given S2. S2 dot different S1 means if we keep here S2 means now it will print only G and K. See here, it printed only G and K. This is the difference update. Difference update and the difference is both are same, just like as update and union. We can create a set function also s s is a variable. It stores the set elements. Set open parenthesis and the square bracket. In the square brackets only it contains all the elements like 1, 2 and 3. We given the elements as 1, 2 and 3 and closing the square brackets or also closing the parenthesis. And When we print this, it prints the elements in the set. Here it printed 1, 2, and 3. It printed the elements in the set. This is the syntax for creating the set operation. These are about the set operations. If you understand this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.